Would you like to have an easy dinner of tender fish with toothsome crust anointed with nutty, lemony butter and perfume of herbs? Stay tuned as I will show you the wonders if you blast the heat of a pan and a bass of golden brown butter into a fish. In today's video, I will show you how to perfectly sear the fish, and we will put that on top of our vegetable salad dressed with homemade ranch. So before we begin, we need the following: butter, nuts, fish, any kinds of fish will do. I prefer to leave the skin on as it holds the meat. We need some dill, we need some thyme, garlic, onion, egg, lime or lemon, tomatoes, radish, mix of greens and sprouts, a plain yogurt, salt, pepper, vinegar, and oil. So let's start. We will do first our ranch. In a container, all we need to do is to mix our yogurt, we need some lime, we need some garlic as well. Just one garlic is enough, it's just too powerful for me. And we need some onions too, half of the onion, and a dill. It just so happened that my dill is soggy because I freeze them so they will last for a long period of time. And we need some vinegar just to balance the acidity. And we need some little touch of olive oil. And last but not the least, an egg. If you don't have egg, feel free to use a mayonnaise as it tastes similar to this ranch. Oh, the smell is so good. I need more salt. And a butter. Go. Perfect. Now our ranch is done. We'll just set it aside. Moving on to our next dish, we'll pan fry the fish. Before we fry the fish, make sure that the fish is really dry so it won't stick into the pan. Now it's dry, all we need to do is to cut some portion on the skin . I get a pan that is preheating. Now all we need to do is to salt the fish. Ensure the salt will go in between cuts that we made. So now the pan is hot. All we need to do now is to put some oil and we'll throw our fish in. At this point, we can now add salt and pepper on the other side. At this point, the fish is ready to flip. This is the best time to add the butter. Fully cooked. we are now ready to transfer this fish. So now we're done with our fish. The last thing is we need to mix our vegetables. We have our mixed nuts. We need some tomatoes as well. Just roughly slice the tomatoes. And for radish, you can slice it thinly or you can roughly slice it as well like tomatoes. Nice and juicy. Squeeze of lime to our vegetables, a little bit of salt, pepper, and an olive oil. And all we need to do is to mix it up. Oh, this smells so good. So now it's all mixed up. We are now ready to plate this dish. Okay, to plate this dish, all we need to do is to throw our vegetables first. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it and let me know in the comments down below what you think of this dish. And until then, see you next week. It's really good.